Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I will show you how to create a custom font design super fast using Gemini AI with the Nano Banana tool. So let's jump right in. First, just open your browser and then just open Google Gemini and then log in with your Google account. And then just go to tools icon, this one, just tap on it. And then choose create images, this one. This tool is powered by Nano Banana. It's the newest Google feature that lets you edit images instantly with just a prompt. Next, just upload your font design's reference photo. Just tap on the plus button and then upload files and then photos and videos like this. We will use this photo or this design reference as the base styles for our new text. Next, just uh, type a prompt in the prompt box like this. And okay, like this, Gemini will create a brand new design that looks like your reference, but it's with your custom text. And honestly, it's a little bit different with the reference, but I think the results still good enough. Next, let's try something fun. We can change the color schemes. For example, just type the prompt like this. For example, like this, and then just tap on generate. Like this. You instantly get a fresh new look with vibrant color combinations like this. And okay, like this, in just a few seconds you can turn any font inspirations into your own custom designs without complicated software. And okay, that's it. That's how you make quick font designs from a reference using Gemini AI with Nano Banana. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.